Do you want to score good marks in exams, as well as enjoy your life? Don't worry, this will require a little bit of smart work. So let's start. Point number 1, start early. It is better to start early than to finish late. For example, if you have final exams after 1 year, then don't start when you are left with very few days or months. Point number 2, plan your study schedule. A goal without a plan is just a wish. An hour of planning can save you 10 hours of doing. So plan your work for today and every day, then work your plan. Point number 3, study regularly. Consistency is what transforms average into excellence. Small goals, repeated with consistency every day, lead to great achievements, gained slowly over time. Point number 4, revision. A revision is just another step towards perfection. As you will be studying a lot of stuff, you will forget many of them, but you need to set it in your brain by daily revising it. Point number 5, practicing questions. It's very important to practice questions, because if you don't do it, then it becomes similar to reading a theory on how to swim. But when you actually try to swim, you can't. Point number 6, full tests. Attempt at least 5 sample test papers of that particular exam. You will get many sample papers in the internet. Just go and explore them. Trust me guys, you are ready for the exam, and you will surely top the exam if you follow all the 6 points. The last but not the least, please subscribe the channel and leave your valuable feedback in the comment section.